Do we know why we're here?
To like make some art poster like on a wall somewhere in the town.
Pretty much, yeah, that's the idea of it. But the main reason why we're here is to celebrate Travellers' Pride. And we're all going to do something together. That's what this whole project is going to be about, really.
It's kind of like a new opportunity to us, and a lot of people is going to see it. And
obviously when they drive by, they're going to see the names. And it's just nice to be a part of something like it.
I want them to recognise who did it.
Just so like people don't think, oh, like someone else that wasn't a traveller did this.
Yeah.
They've got a lot of pride in their culture and they don't get to share it.
On the first day, it's about making the children feel comfortable
Take
together.
their inspiration and implement it into what the project's going to be.
Like any opportunity to just like dress up, we go all out.
Yeah.
Fiends, Dear Boys, Young One, Young Flat,
Sublick.
just there's loads.
Sounds like we've got a plan.
The next thing we're going to do is practicing actually painting a stencil. Things that Laois Pride means to you, Travellers' Pride means to you. So I've made some little stencils, horses, some makeup, some people boxing. Right, everyone hold out for a second. Delicate. That was just lifted off over here. A bit too heavy on the paint up there, but that's just enough.
Look at this. You ready?
So you two could be like play boxing with each other?
Oh yeah.
Yeah? Right, perfect. So you want to just hold it as a pose. Does everyone want to give their own a go now? You want to make sure you hold it down like that. The flatter it is on the paper, the better. Basically, putting it at a bit more of an angle and you're just doing lighter paints like that. So now, it's turned around.
Oh, Shanice, yeah.
That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah, that looks there.
It looks really cool.
That's cool.
Yeah. And then like the holy hands from there.
So we have to wait, leave that to dry for a little
Yeah.
bit. Yeah.
It's just like the fades. It kind of makes me think of like, I don't know why, but like heaven. Because like when people have like a picture of God and it, like there's always like fades on the back of it, and it just made me think of like him.
Perfect.
I think it's black silhouettes. I think that's what he's decided on.
Yeah, now that they've confirmed what they're going to want on the wall, and we've taken the silhouette photos, then it's just now getting ready to paint the wall. So the plan at the minute, we're getting all the stencils put on the wall. We're going to start with filling culture. So we're going to paint it in a gradient rainbow. And then after that, we're going to add the silhouettes of the kids, and they're going to be able to paint themselves onto the wall.
What? Say it again.
Yeah.
A lot? Like,
No, it's okay. It's on the house.
oh, that's good.
Perfect.
Any project I think like this is a good idea.
Why?
It brings the community together and it brings both communities, traveller and settled, both together. So there's a great relationship built between the children and the adults that's involved in the whole project. Everything there is a symbol of who we are. Do you know who the traveller community is? Actually, one of the things that stood out for me was, I didn't cop it, it was somebody else that noticed it, was the lady with the cleaning bucket and the mop. And that signifies all traveller women, most of traveller women, like that's a big thing, do you know?
We just want to be, I suppose, seen as people, and because we're all part of the same community here in Portlaoise and we have to work together.
I suppose it knocks down a barrier between us and them, or the guards. No member of the community, especially the travelling community, shouldn't be afraid to come up to us and if they had any issues or anything like that at all.
But it came out very well, delighted myself.
Is that what Dan did?
The message of hope
because that's all we have, like, is hope for like a bit better future and, you know, do good things out there with the travelling community, because like that's what our job is. You know, working with LTAG is just trying to do as many good initiatives that gives everybody hope for like a brighter future, to get involved in better things, to be supported with education and employment and everything. So yeah, hope.
And another one was the reindeers, the family of reindeers. I didn't realise actually, I had to ask what was the symbol of it, because I didn't know. And one of them told me it was family. So they didn't actually use figures of men, women and children, they used the reindeers, which I think actually stands out a lot.